Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix domain error needs attention. Now this is a very common error on Shopify. Now what you need to do guys to fix this problem, first you just need to log in into your Shopify store. Now after that you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Now you want to click on here, or you want to click on domains. Okay, so after you click guys on domains, then you will see the error next to the domain. As you can see, it says here needs attention. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here on the domain that says needs attention, and here they will give you guys the reason why your domain says needs attention. Keep in mind that like there are multiple reasons why this can be multiple reasons why this problem, a lot of people have this problem. Okay, like one of them is they just connected the domain name to their Shopify, and keep in mind it's going to take from like 24 hours to 48 hours to take effect. Okay, so if after you connect the domain name, you will see that error, and it will clear on its own after, like I said, for 24 or 48 hours. Now if that happens, if you still see that error after 48 hours, this doesn't always have to be true. Like the message here, the error you see here doesn't always have to be true. Okay, so if you can see that your website works perfectly, then this error will clear on its own with the time. Okay, it will take, for example, 7 days or 6 days to clear on its own if the website works without any problem. Okay, just open it in a private tab and see if the website, if your Shopify website works perfectly. Okay, so like I said, it will take like 48 hours for this error to disappear on its own. Okay, and one of the reasons also is if you have like made some changes to the third-party domain, it can also take 48 hours. If you have connected the domain name and you made some changes to the domain name, for example, you changed the IPv4 address or something like that, it will take 48 hours to take effect. Okay, now if this doesn't work, if you just you didn't change your DNS settings or anything like that, now you just need to check. You want to go to the where you purchased your domain. If you have purchased it from Namecheap or GoDaddy, you want to go to the DNS settings. You want to check your DNS settings and make sure you set the DNS settings to this. As you can see, Shopify IPv4 address, you want to set it to this. As you can see, this IP address, make sure it's the same. Okay, the www.cnm records, set it to shops.myshopify.com. Okay, you want to make the exact same. You want to just change your DNS settings to this, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, that it has to be the exact same thing. Okay, so if this one guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.